Good morning, my dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve a Leetcode problem on March 17th. That is, the problem is divide array into equal pairs. We should divide the given array into equal number of pairs. It is an easy problem. If you know the concepts, it will be easy problem. Let us see the problem statement. You are given an array of integers, nums, which consists of 2 into n integers. You need to divide n pairs. We should divide the nums into n pairs. Each element belongs to exactly one pair. How should be this pair should be like? Each element belongs to exactly one pair, and the element present in a pair are equal. That means, suppose given example is nums is equal to 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2. What would be the approach for this problem is, if we sort an array, arrays.sort. If we sort the array 2, 2, 2, this nums would become 2, 2, 3, 3. If we keep track of all the numbers, that is, if suppose this number is having 4, count is 4. If it is divisible by 2, that means here we are able to prepare the one pair. Here we can prepare it is double equal to 0, and this is possible for this element. For this 3 element, one pair is possible, so we return true. If the pairs are possible, we return true. This is the brute force approach, in which time complexity is for sorting algorithm takes O of n log m, and which is nearly equal to O of n square. Nearly equal to, but not, it is not equal, nearly equal to O of n square for different values of n and m. What would be the better approach? That is optimal approach. This optimal approach takes should take O of n, time complexity. What would be the approach for this problem is, let us take a hash map. In which it consists of the key value pair, key of type integer and value of type integer. I hope all of you know about what is hash map. It is key dataset and it is value datasets. Let us take nums array as 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. This is the nums array. Now we go on iterate through the nums array. And we put the elements in the hash map. Let HP be the hash map. Now going through the nums array, initially for I is equal to 0, we get 2. It is not present in it does not contains in the hash map. So we put 2, 1 in the hash map. Now we iterate to the next element, that is 3. The key doesn't contains in the hash map. So we put 3, 1. And we iterate to the next element. This element can already consist in the key set. So we increment the value 2. To 2. This is 2. Now we increment the array nums. It is 2. It already consists in the hash map. So we increment the value, that is 2. Next we iterate to the next element. It is already present. So we increment the value. Now coming to the next, it is also already present. We iterate. Here we have trace route or count the number of numbers that is present in the nums array. Here the output will be hash map contains 2 contains 4 count and 3 contains 2 count. Now we iterate through the hash map. We iterate to the hash map, and if the value or count is divisible by 2, that means we are possible to prepare the number of pairs. If it is double equal to 0, we return true, or else if it is not equal to 0, suppose 2 count consists of 3 and 3 count consists of 2. Here we are able to, here 2 counts are 3. We are able to prepare only one pair. It is remaining value. So it is not possible. So in this case we return false. Here the time complexity is O of n and space complexity is also O of n, because we are using a hash map of size O of size n, space complexity and time complexity. Now let us see the code for this. It is similar to it is very easy problem. If you know hash map conditions, it is the important data structure, my dear friends. Please go through the hash map data structure and once see how the functions are used in the hash map. First of all we initiate the hash map. We go on through the nums array and we keep, if hash map contains the key, we increment the value, or else we put I, 1. Initially in the hash map we could put 2, 1, 3, 1. In similar way it is the programming words. We iterate through the hash map. Second step is, it is the first step, it is the second step. We iterate through the hash map. If it is not equal to 0, we return false. That means we are unable to, here this condition tells that unable to prepare pairs. We are unable to prepare pairs. So at last, if we are at least one unable to prepare pair, we return false. Or else after all iterations we are able to prepare pairs, so we return true. This is the problem which uses space complexity of O of n. Still we should optimize it. If we should optimize it, we use a approach called bit manipulation. By using bit manipulation, we can take time complexity of O of n and space complexity of O of n, that is space optimal solution, by using bit manipulation. If we use in bit manipulation, we have a gate called XOR. XOR means, if suppose input 1, input 2, what will be the output? If it is true, false. If it is true, false, it returns true. If it is false, true, it returns true. If it is false, it returns false. How this would be useful for us? Because let us see, if we XOR 1, that gives 0. 2 XOR 2, that means if we find the pair of numbers, it returns 0. If we find, this is the most important word which I am speaking is important word. That means if we get same pair of number, we return 0. How this would be useful? Let's see how this is useful. Let us see an example. Given nums array is 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. Let us see now. Initially result as 0. For of, we iterate through the array in nums. This is the nums array, my dear friends. Understand it clearly, because it is most optimal solution for this problem. We iterate through the array. Result is equal to result XOR of I. result XOR of I. At last we get the return of result. If result is equal to, if result double equal to 0, return true. That means pairs are possible in this. Or else, if no pairs are possible, if else no pairs are possible, we return false. This is the important optimal solution for manipulation using XOR. So this is, once try this code. This is the pseudo code. This is the pseudo code. Once try. This is the pseudo code. Try in the Leetcode. It will be accepted. So thank you, my dear friends. This is the problem solution for this today's question. Let's meet tomorrow. Thank you, my dear friends. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hope you share with your friends also. Thank you.